Alrighty, welcome to my channel, SteveO Window Cleaner. Today we're doing a little impromptu review of two products that I do not know when these are going to be available, but two new products, a soap and the new Sorbo Ultralight. Sorbo Ultralight is made by the godfather of the wide body squeegee channel, Sorbo. Basically, Sorbo Ultralight 45. It is very, very light. Like this, it is super light. I'm not sure of the weight, but it's definitely lighter than brass or stainless steel as far as what I can tell. So you can see here with the ends, right? It kind of has the Liquidator shape there. That's what it looks like on that end. He made some angled clips that go in. Oh my gosh, they're hard to get out. This thing is frozen. But their clips are angled. If you guys remember the Legend channel, they had the clips, but they were not angled. I think they had the clips. Maybe they had the brass clips on those. I'm not quite positive sure on which ones they had. But that is the new Sorbo Ultralight. I'm going to clean this storefront here, and I'm just going to show you guys as I work. I'm not going to really do any talking, just show you it on the glass and kind of show you it the way I'm using it. The way that I'm using it is I'm using it in the Moorman Accelerator 2.0 handle. So this is an 18. So it fits very, very well in this. It even doesn't even really move like it moved on the brass. You can also use round rubber with this. You have to use only the T-shaped rubber. So that's pretty awesome with this channel as well. So we'll try that out. And then the Glideator. Thank you, Christian, from Denmark. He sent me this soap. I've been using it now for the last couple weeks. I love it. I really do. I do hope this comes to market. It's been the easiest soap to test. It's sudsy. It smells good. The Glide is great. For me, testing a lot of different soaps over the last year, this was the easiest. It feels a lot like Dawn. You know, what's cool about this is I think that Christian listened to window cleaners. We like suds. I like suds. I don't like cleaning without suds. So it has great suds, great smell. I haven't noticed anything weird with it at all. I haven't noticed that like it bleeds a lot as far as the solution goes. I do use less of this than I use of Dawn soap. Dawn soap, I do a fast 8 count in about 3 gallons of water, 3 to 4 gallons of water. With this one, I do a fast 5 count. So almost half of what I was using with Dawn, but it does keep sudsy all day. If you use stuff like Joy, sometimes you find Joy, you kind of lose your suds over the day and need to use more soap. This one, I didn't find that. So I'm gonna clean this storefront, show you guys how this works on the glass. I'll give you guys a little bit of thoughts after I'm done. And that will be the review of the Glideator and the Sorbo Ultralight 45-degree squeegee. This is the slim channel, by the way, just so you know. It is not a wide body Sorbo channel. Let's go. my towel caught underneath the pocket that I keep the camera in. Pulled it out and it hit on the bottom. But luckily, all these GoPros, well, not all of them, but I think the 7 and the 9, you just take these off, you can replace them. So, look what I do for you guys. Break my cameras. But anyways, you know, the big question is, when you look at something like this, is it like the Liquidator? If you've watched my channel for a long time, I'm not a fan of the Liquidator. Overall, not a huge fan of these angled ends. What I find is that this area is just not tight enough to create that zero detailing. Now, the good thing that I like about this, that it doesn't have the part of the Liquidator where it comes down and forces the rubber on the glass. So the glide is a lot better. Lot better. But I would say if you like the Liquidator, I would definitely give this a try. I didn't find that I had zero detailing, but I've never found that with any squeegee at all. There's a lot who talk about the Liquidator being, you know, the holy grail. I do not believe that. I don't think there is a holy grail squeegee out there. If you don't detail, you're lazy. It's as simple as that. So that's pretty much it with this. But I will create a Gleam competition in the links, and I will give away both of these in case you want to give these a try. And so with the Gleam competition, you just enter through the link. You basically visit my YouTube channel, and yeah, so say a thank you to Sorbo for doing that as well. But that's kind of my thoughts on it overall. You know, I was actually quite surprised. This is the first job that I've used it on. I've always liked the 18-inch Liquidator a lot better than any other size, so I like this size of it. What I find is that you need an angled handle like this with channels like this, because if you have like a deep recessed area, what happens is that if you have to put force on it, the edge here likes to curl and skip. So that just creates kind of issues after a while and makes it not too fun. So you can use the Sorbo handles, the swivel handles. You can use the fixed handles, but you can also use the Moment Accelerator 2.0 handle. So I would definitely suggest doing that for most likely your best options as far as when on a job. If you have something recessed, you can do that degree, make it a little easier to close out and a little easier to move the squeegee. But very exciting trying these out. I like that he took the clips and angled them so that they're flush and they're not just straight out. So he's really put some thought in this to make this really good. So competition below, I'll give these two away. Second thing we were looking at was the Glideator. Really great soap. Really like this. I hope it comes out. You know, once again, great for, it's hard to show you like a soap in camera. You can't smell it or anything, but I would say if this ever comes to America, I would definitely pick some up. It is well worth it. I got 4 bottles of it from Christian, and I will use every drop of it before I use any other soap. So thank you for that. I don't notice like a huge extra shine to the glass, but it just works extremely well. I don't notice any issues with it. But that is it. I am already late to my next job, so I have to go. But I hope you all are doing well. And coming up, we're going to have an interview with Jordy, the window cleanse, about how he started his business with the realm of talking about businesses. And then we're also going to talk about, after that, or before that, is a CRM needed for your business and why it is important to have a CRM. Alrighty, y'all. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.